What's up, everybody? Cody Does It, back at it again with another video. Today I got a 2013 Tahoe LTZ 4-wheel drive. I'm going to be putting on some oil cooler, transmission cooler lines down here. I don't know if I can show them. I'll have to flip the camera around, but I'll show you. And so right now I'm working on the oil cooler. Let me show you where I'm at. Got it tucked back underneath here. Alright. As you can see right here on this cooler, this is where it mounts to the side of the engine. You got two bolts here. They're going to be 10 millimeters. It's going to take a little loop. There's going to be a bracket here that you're going to undo what looks like a 12 or a 13 millimeter. Then as you travel along, you're going to have to, I believe, pull the grill off. I haven't looked completely into this, but if I do, I'll show you. For those two lines that have gone to the engine oil cooler. And if you come underneath here, you can see these two lines here that are leaking are going to be the oil cooler lines. Get a flashlight in there. I may have to grab my smaller one. But yeah, you can see the oil cooler lines here. Two bolts have already been pulled out of it. The two bolts were right here and right here. Two 10 mils. And then as you follow along this bracket, you can see the line goes up, over, just like the one I showed you previously. I don't know if I can get a good shot. I'll probably have to come up here to the front. And you can see, if I can get my phone in here, another portion of these lines. I'm not going to be able to show you, I'll bet. Where the lines actually connect. There's too much stuff in the way, but the bolt is right around here. It's gonna be kind of a hard shot to film. Let me see if I can zoom out. Bracket bolt is right here. See if I can get my finger right there underneath the center portion of my finger. There's gonna be a bolt there. See if I can turn my flashlight on. I have to pause it. Oh, my phone's too dead. Of course my phone's too dead. There's gonna be a bracket bolt right there. My phone down here. Right there on the side. Right there. So you're gonna pull that bolt 12 or 13. And like I said, the lines are gonna run up into here. And I believe it appears they run through core support and into the grill area of the car. So I have to get in there. So the last two lines you're gonna have to pull in this job is gonna be this upper one. I thought they ran through the firewall, but apparently they don't. They run into the radiator. And you got a lower one down here, right there. And you got little clips in there that you're gonna wanna pull out with a pick or some sort, but don't let them go flying, because then you probably won't be able to find them again. There are replacements for them, but just be careful. Try not to lose them. Try not to flex them too much. And yep, reverse the steps I showed you, put them back in, and you'll be done with this job. As well as I didn't show prior to this, you're going to want to drain all the oil out of the car, or else it will leak everywhere. And even be sure after you oil and drain the oil and pull the oil filter, it will leak some more out of those cooler lines down there like I showed you. And reinstall everything, put some oil in it, change the filter, and you'll be good to go. Alright everybody, so in the repair manual they recommend that you pull these bolts here and here for the diff. That's on the passenger side. Driver side you have one here. You have an isolator here that you could probably just pull. That nut there, and then you also have another nut there. It looks like you're going to have to pull that isolator as well. This one does have a rough country lift or leveling kit in it. But yeah, essentially you can do that. You pull your skid pan here down, and then it'll allow you to pull it down so you can get a little bit better access for these cooler lines. As you can see, I've already replaced, can't really see underneath, no. I've already got these replaced, put back. The job is complete. I am working now on the transmission cooler lines. You can see here they're working, or leaking. You have one that runs up here to your trans cooler that's in the radiator as well. Through the radiator to cool, and then you have two trans cooler lines up here. I'm not quite sure why they have it ran this way. I'm not a Chevy tech, so don't quote anything I say, but essentially, yeah, you're gonna finagle this line out of here. You're gonna pull this one, and then back here you've got your lines to the side of your torque converter bell housing area. So you're gonna want to pull those, let them drain, and that's another easy job. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that quick clip. It isn't the easiest thing to do, but like I said, you can get these oil cooler lines out, the oil lines, not the transmission cooler lines, without actually dropping the diff. It is a bit of a task, but it is possible. Save yourself a little bit of time. So as always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on CodyDoesIt89 on Instagram. And if you have any questions, shoot me a direct message there or leave a comment below. As always, guys, stay motivated, keep making money.